Hello students, today we are going to start standard 6th maths chapter number 5 practice set 15. Question number 1, write the proper number in the empty boxes. That means number is given to you and you have to complete these empty boxes. Now here 10 is given and here 3 upon 5. So what you will do, you will get 10. So I have written here 2. 5 into 2, that will give you 10. And here the same thing, denominator is into 2, you will write in numerator also into 2. Now 3 2s are, that will give you 6 upon 10. Now 6 upon 10, 1 0 is there, that means after one number you will put a decimal. So after one number we have put in a decimal. Now we'll see second, 25 upon 8 is equal to, they have given you this thing 8 into 125 and they have given 1000 also. Now what you will complete this empty boxes, you will same thing, you will write 125 here into 25 and that will give you answer 3125 and here up divided by 1000. Now same number you will write here and after how many 0 1 2 3 3 0. So after 3 numbers you will put a decimal. So count 1 2 3. After 3 number I have put in a decimal. Now see the third one, that is 21 upon 2. Here 21 into 5 I have taken and 2 into 5 because here 10 is there, so that's why 2 5s are 10 and here 21 5s are will give you 105. So we will divide and see the answer, that is 105 I have written here and after one number I will put a decimal. So 10.5. Now see the fourth one similarly, 22 upon 40. Now what you will do, that you will get 11 upon 20. We will cancel with 2 because this will go with one table, that like that 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 20s are 40. So 11 upon 20 I have written here. Into 11 into 5 and 20 into 5. Why I have written 11 into 5? Because here already into 5 they have given you. That's why I have written in numerator into 5. So 11 5s are 55 and 20 5s are, that is 100. Now 55 upon 100, we will see the answer will be 1 2. After two numbers I will put a decimal 1 2. I have put here the decimal and the 0 here. Now question number 2. Convert the common fraction into decimal fractions. Now they have given you common fraction, you have to convert into decimal fraction. So how you will convert? The same thing which we have done here, you have to solve the whole thing. Like 3 25s are 75 and 4 into 25s are, that is 100. कुछ भी करना है आपको कि यहाँ पे नीचे कभी भी 10 आना चाहिए, 100 आना चाहिए या 1000 आना चाहिए, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें डेसिमल में आंसर चाहिए. इस वजह से हम जो भी पॉसिबल सिचुएशन पॉसिबल होती है हम वो सिचुएशन ले सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे 100 की पॉसिबल हो रही थी सिचुएशन, 4 इंटू 25 100 आ गया हमारा. सो इसलिए हमने ऐसे किया और 3 25 ज़ा 75 आ रहा है. अब डेसिमल में लिखना है तो हम लोग क्या किया, 75 लिखे यहाँ पर और 1 2 आफ्टर 2 नंबर 0 डालना था क्योंकि सॉरी आफ्टर 2 नंबर डेसिमल डालना था क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 0 दिए हैं. सो 1 2 आफ्टर 2 नंबर हमने डेसिमल डाले तो फिर ये 0 हमने ऐड किया यहाँ पे क्योंकि कुछ नंबर नहीं था वहाँ पे 0.75. फिर ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. नाउ सी द सेकेंड वन, दैट इज़ 4 upon 5. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, दैट you will do with 5 when you will get answer 10 or 100 or 1000, any answer you can write. So everyone know 5 2s are 10. Okay, so I have written here 5 2s are 10. Now same thing, the denominator into 2 we will write in numerator also into 2, like 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. That will give you 0.8 answer because 1 0 is there, that means after one number I will put a decimal. Now see the third one, that is 9 upon 8. हियर अब 8 को ऐसा क्या करेंगे जिससे हमें 10 तो नहीं मिलेगा, 8 से 100 भी नहीं मिलेगा, तो 1000 चलो देखते हैं। तो 8 के टेबल को हम 125 ज़ा करेंगे तो हमें 1000 मिलेगा। तो वही सेम चीज़ जो डिनोमिनेटर में आती है 125, वही सेम चीज़ हमारे न्यूमरेटर में भी आती है 9 इंटू 125 आई हैव रिटन यर। नाउ व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ 9 इंटू 125, दैट इज़ 1125 and here 1000. Now we have to put into a decimal form, so 1125 I have written here, and how many zero is there? 1 2 3. That means after 3 numbers you will put a decimal point. So 1 2 3, after 3 number I have put on a decimal point. Now see the fourth one, that is 17 upon 20. Here 17 into 5 I have written, that is 85, and 20 into 5, that will give you 100. Now 85 upon 100, here answer will be 0.85. Now see the fifth one, 36 and 40 is there. क्यों मैंने कैंसिल किया? क्योंकि ये कैंसिल हो रहा था एक टेबल से, 4 के टेबल से कैंसिल हो रहा था, सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव डन द कैंसिलेशन हियर. सी स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे कैंसिल नहीं होगा इसलिए हमने कैंसिल नहीं किया. कोई भी एक टेबल से कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा था इसलिए हमने कैंसिल नहीं किया, बट यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो रहा है इसलिए कैंसिल कर रहे हैं हम 4 के टेबल से, क्योंकि दोनों नंबर एक ही टेबल से जा रहे हैं, वो 4 के. 4 9 ज़ा 36 हो रहा है और 4 10 ज़ा 40 हो रहा है, तो इसलिए हमने लिखा 9/10. अभी रेडीमेडली हमें जो आंसर चाहिए था वो रेडीमेडली हमें मिल गया 9/10. सो हमारा आंसर जो आने वाला है वो 0.9 है. नाउ सी द सिक्स्थ वन, 7/25 इज इक्वल टू, what we will do with 25, then we will get 100. So 25 into 4 we have done. Now same thing into 4 in denominator is there, so you will write in the numerator also 7 into 4, that will give you 28, and 25 into 4, that have given you 100. Now we will divide and see 28.0. Why I have written like this? So 1 2, after 2 number I will put a point, 1 2, so here it is a point, so answer is 0.28. Now see the seventh one, 19 upon 200. Now what you will do, that you will get a 1000. 200 into 5, that will give you 1000. Now same thing into 5 I will write here, 19 into 5, that will give you 95 upon 1000. So 95 I have written here, and 1 2 3, 30 is there, that means after 3 number I will put a decimal. So 1 2, here no number is there, so students I have written here the zeros. Okay, so 1 2 3, after 3 numbers I have put a decimal point. Now we will see question number 3. Convert the decimal fraction into common fraction. That means decimal number they have given you and you have to convert into common fraction like this form. Okay, now see student, this is very easy. First of all, forget this decimal, write as it is number 275 upon. Now here after how many number decimal is there? From unit you have to count it, so after one number there is decimal point, so that means we will write 10 because after one number is there. Similarly this also we will do 0007. After how many number the decimal is there? From unit I will count 1 2 3, that means after 3 number the decimal is there, so 1 2 3, right? After 3 number the decimal is there, so that means 1000 will be there. So 0007 upon 1000 is the answer of this. Similarly we will see the next, that is 90.8. Now 908 I will write. Now after one number there is decimal, so I will write 10 here. Now see here 39.15, so 3915 upon 1 2, after 2 number there is decimal, that means 100 will come. Now see the fifth one, 3.12, so 312, after how many number decimal? 1 2, that means 100 will come. Now see the sixth one, 70400. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, अगर ये 00 नहीं भी लिखा तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तो हम डायरेक्टली लिखेंगे 704. सो दैट मीन्स हाउ मेनी नंबर आफ्टर वन नंबर देर इज डेसिमल, वन नंबर. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट मीन्स 10. बिकॉज सी स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम नहीं भी अगर ऐसे करते हैं, सो स्टूडेंट्स हम ऐसे भी करके देख सकते हैं. जैसे कि देखो मैं आपको बताती हूँ, 70400. तो अभी कितने नंबर के बाद डेसिमल है? 1 2 3. 3 नंबर के बाद है तो हम 3 नंबर मतलब 1000 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो स्टूडेंट्स देखो ऑलरेडी 2 0 तो 2 0 ऐसे यहाँ पे कट हो जाते हैं, तो 10 ही बचता है. तो आंसर हमारा वैसे भी करके 704/10 ही आने वाला है. ओके तो इसलिए मैंने ऐसे लिखा. सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल शो यू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम सेट.